Hey neighbor, this is Taya here with ThrivingHive Marketing. I appreciate you dedicating your time today to watch this video. I completed an online presence audit with luxury woodworking and cabinets because I want to share some important notes and information. In this video, you're going to be shown your top competitors and the 3 things you can do to help bring in more customers to your business. The 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is designed to encourage its audience to visit and use a website. Citations are mentions of your business's name, address, and phone number on a website that isn't your own, like directories. Backlinks are links on websites other than your own that go back to a page on your site. It represents another website's traffic coming to your website. At some point now, you're asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? I've experienced giving people a simple action plan with real steps they can take to impact their business for free has brought valuable insights and results to local business owners and their surrounding community. At the end of the day, our intention is to educate. Let's not waste any of your time or mine, and we'll jump right on over to show you the 3 things that will set your company above and beyond your competition. So the first thing I want to show you is what future customers will see when they're navigating Google to find your services. It breaks down into 3 sections. We normally see ads here at the top, but there's a few reasons why I don't see ads right now. It could be a certain time of the day, the targeted demographic, or there's just not ads running for this industry for right now. So after you have the paid ads, your next section is called the Google Business Profile, or the GBP. It used to be called GMB and MAV listings, but now they've updated it to the Google Business Profile. So the Google Business Profile is where we see the businesses that Google believes to be the most relevant and trustworthy for this keyword search within the MAP listings. Your GBP is worth 30% or more of where business is coming from. The health and quality of the GBP page comes from the reputation and reviews, the descriptions, your pictures, and citations, which are exposure for the business. The third and final part to the Google search is the organic rankings. So the organically ranked businesses here are ranked at the top because of their content, credibility, and traffic flow. That is worth 70% of where business is coming from. 70. So here we can see your main competitors. I have available your business website and the top competitor, which is Bruce County Custom Cabinets website. And we're going to walk through the key difference between the two. So we're going to start over here on your website. So I want to compliment you for your colors, the imagery, the logo, not everyone has a logo, and the layout. They're all cohesive with your brand and even has movement to engage your visitors. And keep in mind here that being secured is very, very, very important. Google doesn't trust domains that aren't secured and almost always won't crawl them to be searchable. We are seeing a lack of word count here to meet Google's preferences, and user experience can be better optimized for resolution on the header photo, having separate pages as we can see that they navigate down within the home page, and even a floating toolbar would be helpful. So that way, if I'm down here at the contact and I want to get back up here to the top, I need to scroll all the way back up. So the final thing I want to compliment you on is your age of domain. So domains have built-in trust as you age away from a newly established domain. Your domain is 11 years old and 126 days, and that's awesome. So now we're going to come over here to your competitor, and Google loves content, especially valuable content for their users. I would say they have valuable content, but they don't have enough content for Google's preferences. I am seeing page count, and they do have interlinking. Their user experience is a bit more optimized, but their age of domain is only 219 days, so they don't have a ton of established trust. They are missing anchor texting, and as you can see with their design, there's no color other than their photos. I'm not seeing a logo or a brand that makes them identifiable to customers. So this leads to the first important action item that we can talk about, and that's content. Website content is valuable because it makes or breaks your website's usability and your profitability. If site visitors can't use your website to accomplish their goals, like finding information, well, the customers, they bounce. And an average bounce rate between 41 and 55%, meaning a significant number of visitors are not engaging with the website beyond the first page. As a result, both customers and revenue are lost to competitors. Your website, specifically your homepage, will need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. To rank for searched keywords, the rule we go by is 1 keyword for every 150 words of content. This page has 464 words. If we come over here to your competitor, they only have 201 words for their content, which means you've already beaten them in this area of ranking, but you'll need more to have credible content in Google's eyes. So every month, people are searching for buyer intent keywords that have a certain search volume per month. And we can see the traffic that it brings in. So you have 12 keywords, and if we organize it by the volume of monthly searches, we can see here that this one and this one, they bring in a total of 6 visitors per month. That's not very optimized for customers who are searching for your services. They're also national keywords since they're without local locations, and you'll be up against Ontario and Canada-wide searches. If we come over here to your competitor, we can see that they also have 12 words. They have a bit more search volume per month, but it's bringing in no traffic, and it's also national keywords. So it's very easy to keep beating them in this area. So we come back over here and finish with content. Let's move on to the second important action item I want to talk about, citations. They lend credibility to your business and help you rank. Essentially, you want other sites to lend credibility to your business and help you rank in the Google Map listings. Google Map listing section is called the Google Business Profile, the GBP. The GBP is a free tool to showcase your business information and is very critical to your rankings. So how do you rank in this map listing? Well, to answer that question, we go over here to whitespark.ca, and we can see that your business here has 6 citations, and your competition has 8. And I even went as far as searching up your second competition, and they have 9. So they are beating you in this area, but it's an area that you can very easily conquer in. I can even click on your competitors' citations, and I can see where they're all laid out, and we can go for these submissions. These citations would be submitted word for word into online directories such as Canada 411, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and thousands more. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. So then we come back over here down to the organic listing. Without those ads, the top competitors have been thrown to the top. So backlinks is the thing that gives your site authority. We call it link juice. We can see that when I search for a custom cabinet maker in your location, you're not number 1 and you're not on the first page either. Now, number 1 is where you want to be, or somewhere on the first page at the very minimum. To get there and to stay there, you need to continue to beat out the competition in all 3 of these aspects: content, citations, and backlinks. Simply put, backlinks or link juice works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. However, there's more information that your marketer should be aware of. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relevant sites linking back to you. For example, if you have a paint store linking to you, that would be more effective than Subway linking at you because you don't build sandwiches for a living and Google knows this. So we come over here to Ahrefs again, and this is a paid tool that I use to see more in-depth digital data. We see here both the DR and the UR, and they're measured on a scale from 0 to 100, with higher scores indicating a stronger web page result. Domain rating is a measure of the quantity and quality of the backlink that is going to the entire domain. It's how trustworthy you are to Google. The URL rating, this measures the specifics, strengths, and how powerful the links related to your pages are. Here are backlinks. This is how you win that popularity contest. Think of this as a certain amount of votes. It's important for your marketer to know that backlinks vary in value and credibility. Not all backlinks are created equally, therefore it's quality backlinks that make the difference in your ranking. Here we can see you have 28 links pointing at your site. This is a small boost for link juice. If we come over here back to your competitor, we can see that they have 454 votes working for them. And you've been ahead until now in all the other areas, but they're beating you here with link juice, or they have more votes. Again, this is very beatable with time. I can even click on their links, so you can take every single link they have, the ones of quality that is, and go after them for your own site. Then you would continue to submit for more links in order to ensure you conquer the competition, not just match them. So we've come to the end of my audit. In summary, number 1, content drives traffic to keep the traffic engaged on your website. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. It also needs to be optimized for Google and the best user experience. For number 2, citations, they boost your credibility and ranks within Google Business Profile section, or known as the map listings. You want to have 200 to 300 more than your competition to outrank them by a landslide. Finally, number 3, backlinks rank your business organically above and beyond your competition to the first page of search results. You need more and credible sites pointing at your business to show Google you are the authority, you're relevant, and they can trust you. If you implement these strategies, you can be the number 1 searched across Google for your industry. Are you wondering, what now? Well, you can keep this information I provided you and utilize the strategies on your own terms or provide them to your current marketer. This does no harm on my end. Again, my intention is to educate our local business owners so they can overcome their challenges and hold their marketers accountable. However, if you would like the most effective and efficient route to implement these strategies with quality craftsmanship guaranteed, you can reach back out and connect with me. And now I send you my warmest regards. Take care, neighbor.